Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here, and sad to say I'm back with another hacking attack, this time on older Asus routers. So I found this article on Tech Radar on May 29th, so let's go take a look at it.
Let's do this!
So as I said, Tech Radar, thousands of Asus routers hacked to create a major botnet planting damaging malware. By Siad Fedel-Posick, published May 29th, as I said. Hackers are brute forcing older Asus routers. Let's drop it into read view and get rid of the ads. Thousands of Asus routers were compromised and turned into a malicious botnet after hackers uncovered a troubling security vulnerability, experts have warned. This appears to be part of a stealth operation to assemble a distributed network of backdoor devices, potentially laying the groundwork for a future botnet, noted cybersecurity researchers Gray Noise, who first spotted the attacks in mid-March 2025. Using SIFT, Gray Noise's network payload analysis tool, and a fully emulated Asus router profile running in the Gray Noise Global Observation Grid, the researchers determined that the threat actors were first breaching routers with brute force and authentication bypassing. These poorly configured routers were easy pickings for the attackers, who then proceeded to exploit a command injection flaw to run system commands. The flaw is tracked as CVE 2023-39780 and carries a severity score of 8.8/10 high. The vulnerability was first published in the National Vulnerability Database on September 11, 2023. That's why that tracking number. And since then, Asus released firmware updates to address it. The tactics used in this campaign, stealthy initial access, use of built-in system features for persistence, and careful avoidance of detection, are consistent with those seen in advanced, long-term operations, including activity associated with advanced persistent threat actors and operational relay box networks, Gray Noise further explains. While Gray Noise has made no attribution, the level of tradecraft suggests a well-resourced and highly capable adversary. The attackers used their ability to run system commands to install a backdoor that's stored in a non-volatile memory. This means the access they establish survives both reboots and firmware updates. That's pretty serious. The attackers can maintain long-term access without dropping stage 2 malware or leaving other obvious traces. We don't know exactly how many devices are compromised, other than that there are thousands, with the number steadily increasing. So, I guess if you have an older Asus router, you're probably better off updating it. We updated the one here 2 months ago. Or I guess you could check Asus's website and see if they released a firmware update for it. But you probably generally do not want to be on an older Asus router. So, just wanted to make sure I got this one out to you guys. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm. Yeah.